In this video, you will learn how you can insert the journal name in abbreviated form in Endnote references. You can see here I have inserted these references using Endnote, but only one reference contains journal name in abbreviated form, which is this one, and other journal names are in full journal name. So I want to change these journal name into abbreviated form. So let's learn how we can do that. For that purpose, firstly make sure that in your style you have selected journal abbreviation. For example, I have selected style journal of food process and preservation. And how I can check that I have selected abbreviation or not? Simply go to Endnote. In Endnote, go to this edit tab and select output style, and from output style select your style which you want to apply on references. So I will select edit journal food processing and preservation, click on it, and from here I will select journal name, select here. You can see here the abbreviation 1 is selected, so there is no problem with this style. Now I will close this one and fix the problem of term list. Now go to this tools menu and in open term list select journal list term list. Now select this tab, lists tab, and select journal list and press this delete list. Click on OK. Then create new list. Insert name as journal list. Check this dialog box and press OK. Now select this option, import list. Click here and select the list according to your subject area. If you are anthropology student, you can select here. If you are law student, you can select this list. The bioscience is closely related to my research area, so I will select this one and click on open. You can see here 6231 terms inserted into the journal list. Click on OK. Then I will close this dialog box. Now go to this edit tab and go to this preferences option and make sure you have unchecked this update lists when importing or pasting references. Click on OK. Now go to Word document and click on update citation and bibliography. You can see here the first name is abbreviated, second is abbreviated, third is already abbreviated, but last one is not abbreviated. So firstly you can update term list. The maximum journal names are abbreviated, and if there are some journal names remaining you can manually abbreviate them. So how you can do that? So let's learn how you can manually update this journal name. Go to Endnote library, select the journal name which you want to abbreviate. For example, this one is not abbreviated. I will select this journal name. Copy this. Now go to again tool menu, select open term list, and in journal term list select this one, journal list. In term tab select new term. That was the journal name which we want to abbreviate. I have already copied, so I will paste it here, and you can insert the manual abbreviation of this journal. The abbreviation is, for example, grant of opinion. So I have inserted the abbreviation of this journal. Now press OK. This term is included in this term list. Now go to Word document and press update citation and bibliography. So firstly close this one. I have not closed this one. So again go to Word document and update citation and bibliography. You can see here that this journal name is abbreviated. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.